My name is Kieran, so in Welsh that's Kieran ydw I, and I am studying the HND Public Service course at Cardiff and Vale College Barry campus. So this course is a 2-year course, with then the 3rd year being a top-up option for BA Honours, which I plan to take. But having to do the Welsh aspect of it now, I do find beneficial.
My name is Bobby, enw fi yw Bobby. Dwi'n dysgu Gwasanaethau Cyhoeddus. Dysgu Cymraeg yn y coleg yn helpu efo fy hyder oherwydd dwi heb siarad Cymraeg ers gorffen ysgol. Byddai fe'n helpu pobl yn y dosbarth i siarad Cymraeg i helpu nhw fod yn fwy cyfforddus.
So my favourite thing about learning Welsh is actually the different methods of the teaching it. Instead of just reading from a textbook that is in Welsh and you're sort of there like, I don't understand what I'm reading. Having games, as childish as that may seem, it is a very beneficial way of learning.
Gan fod yn dysgu Gwasanaethau Cyhoeddus bydd yn helpu cyfathrebu yn y Cymraeg efo pobl.